Coastal Hire presents your DIY tip of the week. Replacing a lock on a door? Technique is the key, and we have it right here, so listen up. You will need a screwdriver, a chisel, and a door lock. First, use the screwdriver to remove the screws from the doorknob or door handle. Remove the doorknob or door handle and spindle. Remove the screws from the latch plate on the inside edge of the door. Pull the latch out. Replace the latch and use the chisel to alter the shape or depth if necessary. Reposition and fasten screws. And replace the doorknob or door handle and spindle. Another DIY tip locked and loaded. Your DIY tip of the week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!